Catch. Oh my gosh. Don't worry, I have got life insurance. Whisk, smash. Hey, that's good.
No, it's not.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Mrs. B is back. Back again.
I knew you were going to do that.
Sorry. You're back.
I'm back.
You healthy?
Yep, I'm healthy. I'm better. I've got a bit of energy. I'm awake.
A bit of energy. That's more than any. Yeah, Mrs. B, as we know, was a little bit poorly at the start of the year with the old cove. Hey?
Yeah.
Mrs. B, Chloe, and Phoebe were all down with it. It was horrible, guys. Honest to gosh, you should see her. She, please help me, please. But Mrs. B, my rock, my sole partner when it comes to kitchen hack testing, which is the latest video we're doing today on the playlist, Kitchen Hacks. I've picked them. Not because you had COVID, because it's my turn.
I don't know if it is your turn. I just said, I'll do it with you.
Yeah.
You just pick them.
Yeah. Some are a little bit quick and quirky. Some are a bit weird and messy. And they probably won't work. That's my thoughts.
Okay.
Should we get going?
Yeah, let's get
Hack
going.
number one. You ever been in the situation where you want like mashed potato, right?
Yeah.
Mashed potato.
Oh, God, be careful.
Mashed potato. And not be bothered to peel the potato. I'm going to show you how.
How what?
To do the mashed potato hack. I just said it. Literally just said it. Are you okay? This is what long COVID is. Are you? Oh no, it's my wife. It's my wife. Look, Mrs. B, pataties.
A potato?
A spud. We're just gonna boil the potato. Tell them about your nan's story with potatoes and mud.
Oh, how she doesn't, in the summer or whenever, she'll only buy new potatoes if they're loose and covered in mud. She doesn't like buying them in a bag.
Do you get that? Has anyone else got a relative that does that? Must have mud on it. Does she not trust that they're potatoes or something? Are they like made of polystyrene?
I don't know. I think that's just the way she's always eaten them,
Alright.
growing up and stuff.
Maybe it's an old people thing. This is nuts. That is nuts.
gosh.
Have you ever been in a situation where you have got some nuts
Yeah.
in your hand? No. You ever been in a situation where you have got some almonds?
Yes.
Blanched almonds, but you want them chopped and you forgot to buy a bag of chopped almonds, but luckily you've got an Apple gadget thing.
Okay, yeah.
So apparently this hack, that you've got some nuts,
Yeah.
this Apple slicer core thing here, which is absolutely amazing, doubles up as almond or other nuts are available chopper.
Okay.
So yeah, if you've not seen this before, we've used it, we've had it over the years loads of times. This thing, as you push down on an apple, it cores it and then slices it into wedges, and the kids, and big kids, love it.
I go like this. Just
Yeah,
push
just like bash away and it should... Yeah. That's it, just keep moving round and round and round like that. There you go.
Oh, I see. Oh, this is a good idea.
Is that working all right?
Yeah.
And of course you're coring them as well, you're coring the nuts.
Coring the nuts.
Coring the nuts, this guy's crazy.
I think that's a good one. It's a lot quicker than just getting a knife and...
Well, that's the point, yeah, it's supposed to be like a multi-pronged knife thing, but these aren't really, oh, they are fairly sharp. I've got my thumb, yeah.
So I hurt my thumb a minute ago. I think that's a success.
Is that a
one.
pass?
I think that's a pass. That's
Yes.
a good one.
I mean, that's the first full
done.
hack of the year,
Woohoo!
and it's a pass.
Off to a good start.
It's nuts.
Crazy. Nuts.
Crazy, in brackets, nuts. This is what I'm trying to show, look at this. This is our next hack, okay? Did you see that? I hope I got that clip right. Have you ever been in the situation, right, where you want to crack an egg,
Yes.
and you don't want to just slam it down on the counter like we've done before?
Okay.
You don't want to use a knife.
No.
You don't want to just tap it on the side of a bowl. But you've got a whisk in the middle drawer down there. You are supposed to be able to walk up to an egg like this, okay?
Oh, gosh.
Right, that's not worked. But you're supposed to go, okay?
And you didn't crack it?
That, okay, this is
Okay.
not one hack. This is two hacks for the price of one, potentially. Look at that, that's amazing.
So what do you do with it now?
Smash it on the side of the jug.
Why? What?
To crack the egg, honestly.
What, just go like that?
Yeah.
But isn't it going to go all over the side?
Well, if you aim it right, it should fall in and the shell should stay in the whisk. Right?
Okay.
Do you get me?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Let's do a little bit of role play.
I'm scared. Okay.
It's like choreography. You go, whisk, smash, boom. Okay, do it with me at home, alright? Or from the bus. Whisk, smash, boom. Whisk. Smash. Smash. Yes. Yes.
No.
No.
Look, it's got
The egg's coming out, look.
Yeah, it's got the shell in there.
Oh, right, yeah.
The egg on the worktop. Oh, I didn't like that one.
Do you know what happened, folks? She didn't do her egg, smash, boom right. I'll do it.
I knew you were going to say that.
Egg, smash, boom. Yeah?
Whisk, smash, boom.
Right, ready?
Okay.
Whisk, smash. Hey, that's good.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You just got eggshell everywhere.
I've got some on my arm.
You got it all over the flew all over here.
Oh, gosh. I obviously don't know how to whisk, smash, boom, do I?
No, you don't. You're doing it wrong.
Oh, no. You can't deny there is egg in there. Well, we can say that half of it worked, right? The grabbing of the egg is genius.
I understand the concept. It's rubbish.
Folks, it takes a surprisingly long amount of time, doesn't it, to wait for a potato to cool down.
Yes.
We're just kind of like...
La la la, what should we do?
We could have played actual hot potato, thinking about it.
Oh, yeah?
So I asked Mrs. B off camera, what do you think we're going to do? And you said, peel the skin off. Which isn't really a hack.
No.
So what we are going to do is let you read your text message you just got. That's all right. At least someone texts. So no one texts me. Maybe I should have like an actual YouTube phone. And no, that's a really bad idea.
Oh my gosh, no.
A cooling rack, a wire rack, if you will, right? So we normally put cookies and things like that on here. We take a potato.
Okay.
Place it down like this. Okay, and we push the potato through here.
Ah.
Okay?
Why didn't you just do it with your palm?
You're supposed to. I don't know why I did it so tenderly.
That's
look,
good.
and look, you are left with the skin, sort of.
It looks like
yeah.
skin of a crime.
Kind of leaves the skin there,
Good.
although it is getting stuck. It's very segmented.
I like this. This is a good one.
Well, that's it. That's the hack. That's why we've just spent about half an hour waiting for potatoes to cool.
I like it.
That's cool, right? You can literally get your hands on, find a little spot. Oh my gosh! But look at that. If you're quite confident with it like that,
And then just...
you peel off most of it. Yeah. Okay, we got one teeny bit of skin there, but we got a bit excited.
I like that hack. That's another good one.
Huh? Mashed potato for tea.
Is that all we were waiting for?
What do you mean? Is that all we were waiting for? Mate, you wouldn't want to do that with a hot potato.
For like 45 minutes just to do that. I would have done that with a hot potato.
Would you?
Yeah.
You are sinister, Mrs. B. Mrs. B, we're going to get married again, all right? I'm going to be the bride. Where is
Okay.
this going? Ready?
Yeah.
Nice. Have you ever been in a situation where you've got a whole broccoli in your hands?
Yes. Right now.
Okay, so you are going to cook that broccoli. What would you do?
I would probably waste most of it. I just cut it all off there. So you have the little bits
Yeah.
and then boil it.
I'll cut the little florets up, right? We're not going to do that. We're going to cook the broccoli without you having to play with the
I
frolics.
think I might know what we're going to do.
What?
Which is probably what I should do anyway.
What?
Are we just going to stick it in there like that?
Yeah.
I've seen someone do this.
And this apparently... Well, it's going to cook it, isn't it? I feel like we
Yeah.
need a teeny bit more water to submerge the whole thing. Or a bigger pan.
Bigger pan. I think it'd be alright because these bits will get steamed by the steam.
I tell you what though, it looks blooming weird.
Does.
Looks like you're boiling like a gear stick on a car or something.
So is that the hack?
Not yet.
There's more?
Yeah.
No.
I just remembered Mrs. B's nickname when we worked on summer camp used to be Becky Broccoli, didn't it? And I was Barry Burger.
Because we played a game and we had to, like when we all getting to know each other, we had to say our name and then a feud after our name.
Oh, how he would say it differently now. So whilst Becky Broccoli boils over there, Mrs. B, catch. Oh my gosh.
I was not ready for that!
Sorry. Have you ever been in a situation where you've got a can
Do not open that one.
Okay, we got a can. I wanted to taste it. This is actually some zero sugar vanilla flavoured Coca-Cola
It's
beverage.
the one that you've not just thrown around the room.
Okay, have you ever been in a situation where your ring pull, right, you've accidentally, it's quite hard to accidentally snap it off. Oh my gosh!
No, how are you going to open it?
Well, this is the hack. Look, watch this. Look, Mrs. B, look away.
I am.
This is the hack, right?
Oh, I've opened it now.
Look at this hack. Look at this. Look at this.
I can't, you told me not to.
No, I just showed the internet, didn't I?
I can't take it off.
I think they got, like, we'll just double it up, we'll have 2. And they just folded it. And all they do is just rub this.
Like a genie in a lamp.
Yes, or a genie in a can.
Right, and then it goes. Then what?
That's it. I'm really, really scared. I'm just gonna double check that. You can just keep rubbing that and I'll...
Rubbing what? What bit am I rubbing?
The can.
No. Which part of the can?
The bit we're trying to open.
Yeah, but which... But listen.
No.
That bit?
No, that bit, yeah. Fold it in half. Then, I don't think it really matters. Oh, you really get it. And then you just...
Didn't they put it under? They didn't rub it.
Well, there's not much happening here, folks, in the can opening Olympics. This was the one that I had the worst hopes for. So I'm positive that that's a good assumption before we've even started.
Good job we're not thirsty, isn't it?
Well, I did buy a multi-pack, and they're available in a variety of flavours, including 0 sugar options. There's 4 good folds, and then they're rubbing it with the corner. Ten minutes later, folks, Mrs. B has lost enthusiasm.
I don't like that.
You don't like it?
No.
Well, there goes that brand deal. I think that's an absolute fail. Imagine that. We will give this one up. We will try. If you have managed to make that work, please get in touch and let us know if we're doing something wrong. I might retrospectively try and do it this afternoon or this evening in my spare time whilst the kids watch TV.
You've got nothing else to do.
I've got nothing else to do. Oh my gosh, ladies, it's nearly 11:30. It's time for my Diet Coke break.
Is that what I have to say?
I just said it. Don't make me laugh. So, oh my gosh. It tastes really nice, actually. Please get in touch, Coke.
Right, recovered?
I'm recovered, yeah. Sorry about that. Happens every day at 11:22 in our house. How's the broccoli doing, all right?
Yes, I think it might be done.
All right. It does look like it's slightly changed angle. So yeah, turn it off the heat, Mrs. B. I reckon that is ready. Yeah. Steam, 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 steam.
Oh, sorry, that didn't help that I was carrying.
Yeah, I know, I'll take the steam with you. Don't worry, I have got life insurance.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Do you know what? The one thing I would say about this hack, right, with that being done like that, you could potentially submerge the whole thing
You could just use
in
the
water
whole
and
thing.
eat the stalk as well, I suppose.
If you blended it all up or chopped it all up, it would be fine.
Yeah. Oh, Mummy, can I have some broccoli, please? That's
Yes.
my role play of being one of our daughters.
Ah,
If you could do it so that the audience
yeah.
can see what you're doing, that would be amazing.
I forgot they were there.
You're so quiet.
This is a cool hat.
It is, isn't it?
I like this.
So you can individually snip off portion sizes. That is a really favourite hack of mine because when you slice the broccoli before you put it in, these little, what do you call them? Bumples?
You lose a lot of it, don't you?
Yeah, all
So
of these
this
things,
stops
they go,
waste.
it's really messy, isn't it?
Yeah.
It goes everywhere.
Yeah,
I love that.
I like that's a good one.
Thank you.
You're on fire. I'm just gonna say.
You're on fire. No, you literally are on fire. Oh.
But then that's only 2 out of.
All right, beat me while I'm down. Last one should be blooming. What are you doing? This isn't a sitcom. This is going to be a stonker. If it works, if not, it's going to be messy fun.
Oh, okay.
But first, it's 11:30. Have you been in a situation where you've got a giant watermelon? Let me just say, I bought a giant watermelon because a giant watermelon in the UK is probably a small watermelon everywhere else. You've been in a situation where you've got a giant watermelon, you've got a knife, but you can only cut once. Okay, because your knife is about to go blunt, but luckily you have a leftover Pringles tub.
So in other words, have you ever been in a situation where you've got a watermelon and you don't know how to cut it into pieces?
Yes,
Are we going to make the watermelon smell of salt and vinegar?
possibly. Don't be fooled by the melon that I got. I'm still Barry from the block.
Right, go on then.
Right, so we're going to take off the side of the watermelon, alright? Do you want to do it or shall I?
You do it,
Sure?
you've got it in your hand, yep, you know what you want done.
Right, okay, you know what you want to do, that's fine.
You just
right.
do it.
So we're just going to go down the
Like
melon.
that's our marriage.
Oh,
That's the to our life. You know what you want to do, just do it.
I'm going to take a bit more off whilst I mull over what you just said. He does it anyway.
Doesn't matter.
I tell him not to, he doesn't do it anyway.
Oh, are we going to push this through?
Yes.
Oh, amazing.
Right? So if I hold the baby like this, and if you can insert, so I go like that, so I change that there so people can see, there we go. You can twist it. Come on, get it together, Mrs. B. What's so funny about putting a Pringle can into a melon? Is this not normal? Right, shall I help?
This is the most bizarre thing I've ever
No, mate, these hacks exist. We are serving our purpose, right? Someone has said, you are in the wild with a melon, a knife with only one chance to cut it off, and an empty Pringles can. There are people out there that genuinely need our help. I know it's hilarious.
Right, okay,
Yep.
go it in.
Oh, crikey, keep it straight, keep it straight. We want to go all the way to the end of the melon. Keep going through, that's it. Oh my gosh, there you go. Did you hear that juice?
It's just blood everywhere.
Yeah, that's fine, look.
Okay,
Keep going.
I'm trying, but you're in the way.
You can see its head, push. Right, you ready?
Stab you in a minute. Do I just pull it out?
Yes, apparently.
Right, hold it then.
I will. Ready? Oh my gosh.
Is it meant to come out in
It's
the
supposed to be in the tube, yeah.
Okay.
Right, you've got a perfect line there now. Yeah, if you rotate it a few times, 2 twists. Out of context, this is very, very weird. There's only one way to do this. And that's to use the knife again. It ain't coming out of there now. Here, okay? I might hit the tub.
No, I just pulled it out of it.
Oh, did you?
Oh!
Oh, look, yeah, you can see where we've come through. Right, Mrs. B, go through it.
I got it!
Oh!
Oh yeah, it's a bit of a funny angle.
So now you should be able to pull it out. Oh, there we go.
Hey. Have we not just got the bit with all the seeds in?
Well, maybe. But don't let reality get... Oh, look at that.
Oh!
Reality get in the way of a interesting looking melon. It's like the Leaning Tower of Melon. Look at that.
That's a good hack, I like that.
Is it?
Funny.
I mean, yeah, you could then slice down there and have all loads of sticks, couldn't you? But what you're supposed to do is slice a disc like this.
Oh.
So you've got patties.
Oh, good
Of melon.
idea.
I'm out of breath for you. That was emotional.
I think there's easier ways to get melon.
There really are. Well, that is it. Another hacks video in the bag. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for thousands of videos already. Press the notification button if you haven't already. Make sure that you are getting notified of new videos. And don't forget, of course, to check out the hacks playlist, right?
Yes.
Because they've got quite a lot on there. And if you've seen any cool hacks after watching the playlist that we haven't done yet, keep them coming. We've got a good list already, but we will have a little look and we'll vote out who does them.
Yep.
What was your favourite hack today, Mrs. B?
Oh, just for entertainment, the watermelon, but for practicality, I think the broccoli.
Yeah, the broccoli
With
was
the
genius.
bollocks.
Yeah.
Although your advert was amazing.
Thanks, mate. And on that note, it is 12 minutes to 12. Time for another Diet Coke break.
Got all the notes, baby, like a treble clef. Cooking up this song like the naked chef. I know what you're thinking, British guy drinking tea, but I'm gangster British, baby. I prefer chickpeas.
The Princess Pat.
Lived in a tree. She sailed across the 7 seas. She sailed across the channel too. And she brought with her a rig of bamboo. A rig of bamboo.